Is it weird that every time I'm waiting for you to like press play, like my face itches?
Okay, but it's already recording.
Eh?
It's recording.
Oh. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Jess once again, and today we're sharing my experience with. You might be wondering, did she really do that? Yes, I did. And let me tell you that it was not a painful experience. I cannot say it was painless, but it was not painful, if that makes any sense. Well, in the place that I go to, Soleil Beauty, is in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. They the artist actually puts like a numbing cream on your eyebrows before she actually starts digging in. But I'm going to let you watch the whole process for yourself as I recorded my way through eyebrows. So let's get started. As you guys saw, in the video, we fast forward so you guys will not get bored and all that. But the process itself took I would say around an hour and a half or two. So that's actually the real time that you will spend sitting. I'm not sitting, laying down on the bed and let me tell you something. You saw the results. My eyebrows look amazing. And now that I am actually like they're already healed, they just look 10 times better. But this is not even the final product. This, I need to go back in, like they give you like 5 weeks so you can go back and actually do like a retouch, and then after the retouch heals, that's when you actually will see like the final product. Hello. So I went on Saturday to do the retouch on my eyebrows, and I just want you guys to enjoy with me. If you like the final product on the first time she did it, look now after the retouch. This is 4 weeks after I got my eyebrows done, and I did a retouch, and I really love how they look. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. This was my experience with the eyebrows. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave the information at the end of the video. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, hit like, comment down below what you want me to experience next, and if you want, turn on the notifications so you can be one of the first ones to see my videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.